Welcome to this new video tutorial of Atlas TI. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to use the word cruncher. The word cruncher is a tool that allows you to quantify the number of times a word shows in each primary document. In other words, it's a word frequency tool. It is also known as a simple content analysis tool. So let's take a look at this. You go to Analysis, Word Cruncher, a number of choices here. First of all, you can count the number of words in a single document. For that, you select Include Selected Primary Document Only, which means that it will only count the words in the document that is currently selected, that is currently visible. I will not do that. I will unselect that, and now I have the option of selecting to send the output as an Excel file or as a word cloud. Let's select Excel now, and then we have a number of different options here, different pieces of information that Atlas TI can provide you in this output. I'm going to keep the default selection, and other choices that I have: ignore case for text normalization, and there's one which is very important, which is the possibility of excluding specific words in the count. For that, you select exclude words, and you also have to click on edit list. List will open up an editor, and you would have to add words to this list, the words that you do not want to include in the count. Now I will click OK, and Atlas TI will produce an Excel spreadsheet of 1,620 words by 8 documents. Atlas TI or Excel, an Excel file has been produced, and now what do we see? We see in the first column the words. I could have, as I said before, excluded from the count specific characters or words, and then we have the count across documents. The other approach to this is to, instead of selecting Excel, you select word cloud, and let's select the word cloud for only the document that is currently opened. Okay, and this gives me a word cloud that shows each one of the words in that document. I could have also done this with all of the documents of the project, or with a subset of documents. If I first filter my primary documents for a given condition, such as a family, and then I run this tool, then I would be able to create an output, either Excel or word cloud, for that specific subset of documents only. Let's go back to the word cloud. If I place the cursor on one word, a number comes up, number 3. That means that this word "we" occurs 3 times in this particular document. If I right click on that word, I have 2 choices. One is to remove it from the cloud, or remove the word from the count, which means that it will not show in any count, word cloud or an Excel spreadsheet. So let me select remove from cloud only. I will remove the also, and we are left with poor, hour. Well, poor could be interesting, population, and let's see what we can do here. If we move the limit to the right, it will exclude from view the least frequent words, you see. And if you click on fading, and you move the fading key to the right, it will fade off the least frequent words. Let's do this again, but this time with all primary documents of my project, of my HU. So let me do this here, and I will unselect include selected PD only, and let's see what we have. This is another cloud, this time with all of the words in my primary document. I mean, in all of the primary documents of my project. And you can proceed to exclude from view whatever you do not want to see. From count, length, you can sort in different ways. Let's sort by count. So what we have here, let me see if we limit, well, if we limit this, we will stay, there you go. We exclude from view the least frequent words, so we are left with we care, this, is, who, for, health, of. I don't care for of, I don't care for, I do not care for who, nor is, nor this. However, care and health could be interesting. Primary could also be interesting. Region could also be interesting. I can also fade off the least frequent words like this, and so on. So this finalizes the video tutorial. You have to think in terms of applications, and that's always the case, of course. And well, think about this applications. Why is it that you would like to use a word cloud? As a general comment, I would say that all of these tools, including the word cruncher in both expressions, Excel and word cloud, they should be seen as feedback tools into the analysis process. In other words, how can we improve our analysis process from by taking a look at these types of outputs? Well, that finalizes the video tutorial, and thank you very much.